Hello everyone, I'm glad you're here. This video will cover how to use Merlyn for formative and engaging assessment. Effective teaching hinges on knowing what your students understand right now. Formative assessment should be dynamic, quick, and informative, not a pause in your lesson flow. Traditionally, gathering real-time feedback might involve calling on a few students, using mini-whiteboards, or collecting paper exit tickets, all methods that can be slow, limited, or disruptive. Merlyn transforms formative assessment, empowering you to quickly gauge comprehension, identify misconceptions, and gather every student's voice instantly, all while maintaining your mobility and connection in the classroom. We'll show you how to conduct quick checks for understanding, clarify concepts through critical response, and foster deeper inquiry. First, for a quick check for understanding, you can use student sessions to create quick, persistent formative assessments. Press the Push to Talk button and say, "Start a session." Have students join your session at the start of class. Then you can say, "Start a pulse check about angles." Or, "Start a brainstorm board about angles." Sessions shows you the responses immediately and keeps the data for you to refer to later. You'll feel incredibly informed and connected to student thinking. Next, to clarify concepts, Merlyn can answer your questions. You can provide a reference answer from Merlyn chat for students to compare and criticize. Press the Push to Talk button and say, "What's the definition of lowest common denominator?" After Merlyn chat displays the answer, prompt the students to analyze the response for accuracy and depth. You'll feel confident in providing immediate, accurate clarifications and fostering critical thought. Finally, to foster deeper inquiry, you can quickly create an exit ticket or comprehension check question. Press the Push to Talk button and say, "Let's discuss lowest common denominator." Merlyn will ask for a grade level, then will display an appropriate question. You can regenerate the question to allow each student to respond to their own prompt. You'll feel empowered to gauge comprehension and lead insightful discussions. Thanks for giving us a little of your time. We hope you found this lesson valuable. When you are ready to learn more, head over to the help desk by issuing the command HELP or clicking the link in the description. You'll find additional learnings on topics like real-world connections, manage on-screen information, and streamline your class start. Let us know how you decide to use Merlyn. Send an email to support@merlyn.org with your feedback. Thanks everyone, and have a lovely day.